Who ready for Thanksgiving? Finna slay on somebody's auntie, like, with this hair, like. Hey y'all, this is All of Destiny, and in this video I'll be sharing with you all exactly how I got this half up, half down hairstyle, which is perfect for the holidays. And I'm most likely wearing this hairstyle on Thanksgiving. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my Thanksgiving vlog. I haven't like done my hair and my makeup, but just make myself feel like all dressed up and cute, especially for the holidays. But this video is sponsored by WowAfrican, so they reached out to me. This is the cute bag that my hair came in. I have worked with WowAfrican before, but this wig, listen, first off, pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. They have a removable, adjustable, elastic band. When I first looked at it, it reminded me of a bra strap. Y'all hear YouTubers say this stuff all the time. You barely have to do anything. Because there are so many people saying, oh, I don't know how to bleach the knots. I'm gonna over bleach the knots. WowAfrican got you covered. All the front knots are bleached, like the whole front. You don't have to do anything. I struggled with this, and eventually I got my wig on and got it to look good like this. Not too much plucking unless you extra like me. Let me just show you how I did my hair like this, okay? Let's do this. Check out my braids. I'm finna do this. Let's get right into the video because I can imagine my intro. I probably said a lot. I basically washed my hair about 2 days ago. I got 8 braids. Do however many you feel is necessary for getting your wig flat. I'm gonna apply some of my Sulfur A dandruff treatment for braids to my scalp first. My hair will be good. If you don't have dandruff issues, you don't need dandruff products like what I'm using. Work that in and secure my hair with the rubber band. You don't want this to be too tight. Some people like to sew theirs down flat, but I'm just gonna personally take a hairpin and just do it just like this, and that should hold my ends down. I just bought the Esha Luxury Wig Fashion Absolute Lace Wig Bun Glue, and it's water resistant. This is what it looks like. And I also have the remover. Thanksgiving is coming. We need to slay for Thanksgiving. So I'm actually not going to take this down right away. The Got to Be Glue gel. Now you only need enough of this just to push back your own edges. We're not going to use the Got to Be Glue to seal down the cap. I'm going to go ahead now and open the cute baggie. I already opened this. Of course, I put everything back together as neatly as I could because I'm a YouTuber and I needed to open it on camera. I haven't opened the comb yet though. And it just says WowAfrican on the side. Use this to comb back those small hairs even further. I'm just going to take my Neutrogena makeup remover wipe and wipe as close as I can to my hairline. I don't want to remove my makeup, but I want to remove it in this area. That way when I glue down the stocking cap or when I go to wash my makeup off tonight even, I won't be stuck with not being able to get the makeup off in this area of my forehead. I only saw one video, or I know that there's lots of them out there, but I've only watched one video of Auntie using this along with the remover. They had the travel size one like right up front, and I was like, ooh. This one was $17.99. They had the smaller one. It was probably about this size compared to this one. I would try that one first if I were you all, because I paid $17.99 for that one compared to $4.99, and I'm not sure if I like it yet. I've only done the stocking cap method once on my channel, so I'm gonna let it run while I do this again, just in case it turns out all nice and y'all are like, wait, how did you do that? That is probably too much. I don't know where my smaller, more reasonable scissors are, but we're gonna use this one. Also, this is a method that I saw Auntie use. Ear right here, like made a little pocket. And so now it's holding it right there. And we're gonna be able to basically glue this down really well. The reason that I'm using the Got to Be instead of the actual glue on my edges is this part is getting close to my edges, and when I apply the wig, we're going to apply it in front of my edges. So I feel more comfortable using the Got to Be glue, which is a gel, over using the lace glue on my actual hairline, if that makes sense. Girl, don't mess up your eyebrows. Wait a minute now. Now for the longest part, drying this with the blow dryer. And I'm going to turn her on cold, because if you use heat, it's never going to dry. Like, it needs to be cool. I completely forgot how sticky this Got to Be Glue gel is, and I mistakenly applied more of it for the stocking cap method instead of using the freeze spray. I suggest when you all try this at home, skip the gel, only use the freeze spray. It's a quicker process. This is my wig. This is my girl. This 360 lace wig is Yaki straight, 150% density. The hair length is 18 inches. The first thing I did notice is that the comb in the back is larger. I'm moving the adjustable straps for a more snug fit. Also, there's baby hair all around. The hairline is pre-plucked. The knots are already bleached. Listen, skipping a few steps, okay? There are the 2 combs still in the front. They removed that middle comb, and this is the removable adjustable elastic band that's already added, and it's like super easy to use. It's the same way you kind of adjust your bra strap if you want to kind of look at it that same way. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig just to see what the hairline is looking like, and also to check and see how far back I may need to still trim some of the stocking cap. So this is the plucking in real time before I speed up the clips. My method, I don't really think it's a method at all, but if I gotta explain it as a technique, I pluck in an area, I skip an area. I pluck in an area, I skip an area. Comb it through so that you don't continue to pluck and then realize you plucked that whole section away. And then I just move right along to doing the same thing until I make my way around. I hardly ever pluck my frontals while they're on my head, but I didn't feel like getting out my mannequin stand and moving my camera, so we're rolling with this technique today. So I'm just continuing this process all the way around, and I'm up close now so you can see how it's coming together. If I was going to part this hair on the left, right, or in the middle, I would not have plucked any further, but I know I wanted to comb my hair back and do a half up, half down, so a little extra plucking was necessary for a more realistic look. Oh, get hot. So this is about how much hair I've plucked out, which is not much at all compared to if this frontal wasn't already pre-plucked. Gonna go ahead and cut away that excess stocking cap now that we've allowed it time to dry. I always glue mine down too far. I won't say always, but the few times that I've tried this, I glue this thing down too far. So I'm going to keep trimming around my hairline to get it the way I need it to be. And just take your time and do this in sections. You don't want to trim off any of your own edges. But personally, I'm nowhere near close to mine yet. I still have to come up to at least here. And you'll have proper scissors. I'm using what I have at the moment. So I need to remove right up in this area because my forehead is not shaped like that. This messes up your makeup first off. I'm probably not going to have any makeup left on my forehead. Also keep in mind we haven't put the foundation on yet, so it's not looking that skin-like, but we're getting there, okay? I want to keep this covered up because that's my hair in this area. And put some rubbing alcohol on my makeup remover wipe to make sure I really got this area clean. Well, that's kind of dark. My dumb boy, I took my bronzer instead, guys. So I'm not going to put too much of this. But with the cap being that light, I think we'll be fine. Make sure when you do this at home, you use your correct shade. Just applying this and pressing it down to smooth out whatever areas were not smoothed out from before. And this is just going to, I'm hoping, help to lay my cap even flatter. It looks blue, guys. It looks blue when it becomes tacky in approximately 30 seconds, so it works fast. I should have used this to glue down my thingamajiggy job right here. While I'm cutting the lace off, I'm noticing that the knots are not bleached in the back necessarily, but they are bleached in the front, just going around the hairline. You want to get off as much of it as you can, and then I don't like to cut too much on my head because sometimes I find that I trim off too much. So now that the first layer is dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig because the second layer is going to be the layer we use to actually hold the wig in place. Oh my god, no. Okay, it dries clear, but they just kind of scared me. I originally planned to apply my wig in sections, but when I started recording, I forgot. Clip yours back, don't be like me because I'm getting it on my hair. I just got my hair all out like I just do this or something. This your first time using this stuff, girl, what you doing? Unlike with the Got To Be glue, I don't think I need to blow dry with this. I saw how fast it dried the first time. Oh, whoa. I feel like I'm ready to start applying this. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it forward. Hold on, should I be waiting on it to get clear? I don't know. It's sticking like right away. Wow, oh my goodness, Peter. Okay, I want to make sure this comes in front of my own temple over here. See how all of this is over my ear? We don't need that. We need that ear to be out because this isn't a wig. This is my hair. So as I said before, this is my first time using anything other than Got To Be glue gel to secure my wigs. With this glue, you want to be sure to trim away any areas of your lace that you don't need because once you apply this glue and press your lace into place, there is no moving it. My eyebrows are all kind of messed up, but we're going to fix that later. Instead of using the lace wig bun remover, which would kind of mess up everything, I'm going to just take some rubbing alcohol instead and see if I can use that just to get off these few little pieces we have right here that are kind of gooey in the front. Trial and error tip again. I should have tied down my hair before laying my edges. I'm used to using the Got To Be glue gel and I normally use my Lottie Body with that, but I only used my Lovely Bees Edge Control to lay my edges for this look. This side sucks. this side is better. I don't know what I did to this side. And I'm using my Red by Kids edge brush to lay my edges further. I wanted a more slick back look, so I'm not trying to do too many swoops. And I'm also using my flat iron from New Me just to kind of straighten a few pieces in the front of my hair. But I did not go throughout my hair with this flat iron. I didn't see that it would be necessary because the hair is basically already straight, but I wanted the front portion to be nice and flat. Found it. Kim, this is what we need. This is much quicker. Look what this side is doing. I don't know if I've been wetting it too much or I like the lighting much better right here. But I'm kind of glad because I need to pull this side forward some. So lucky me because I really want it to be right here. As y'all can see, because I kind of been struggling. Wow, Destiny. I haven't filmed in a while. Can y'all tell? I think I caused it to lift myself because I was using a little bit of this on the cotton ball. Attempting to clean up that area, which I basically removed all of my makeup there. I don't know if y'all can tell. If I get to re-glue this side, lucky me. But my wig cap is still down, which kind of lets me know I did kind of mess it up myself. Man, I wish my lighting was like this the whole time. I want to trash all of my footage, but I can't do that because my wig is already on. And the stocking cap method is already done. And I just wouldn't have any footage. Whew, I don't know what's more tacky, this or got to be. Where's the comb? I'm gonna just use this. So again, working with my edges before tying this down, or just at least allowing the glue to kind of set before proceeding. I'm definitely going to tie the hair down before moving on next time. Now I'm just using my pressing comb just to kind of get that part to be really identified. Identified? What? Defined, sweetie, defined. We're not redoing the voiceover. I'm sick of redoing the voiceover. Let's just keep going. So now I'm just going to continue taking the pressing comb to get the hair to go in the direction I need it to be in. Got a whole bunch of glue right there. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, all of the mistakes that I need to clean up, but we're going to get to that. Trust me. I'm trying to get these parts like so straight. So I could have definitely left the hair down as I had it before with just a part on the left, but I wanted to do something different, and the freeze spray helped to get all of the little flyaway hairs. That way this ponytail section will be super sleek, like super sleek. I'm happy at this point. Now I'm just going to continue pressing out a few sections, taking one of my wrap strips, and then I'm just going to allow the hair to set for a couple of minutes. That is pretty much the finished results of how I got my hair to look like this. It was quite a little bit of a struggle, but I haven't done my hair in a good little minute, and also I was using some new glue. I should have watched more videos, but I kind of just like to try things and just see what happens when I try it out for myself. And sometimes I end up letting the camera run on my first attempt, especially if I'm going to end up posting pictures on Instagram. I don't want y'all to be mad at me and be like, did you record it? And I have to say no. So that's why most times I record my first attempt. But I think this is a good turnout. I'm definitely going to touch it up, make it lay, make it slay, like what I say, like don't play, like Thanksgiving slay, sis, stay out the way, okay? Also, I do have a coupon code for you all. They are having their Black Friday sale like right now, so when this video goes off, you need to check those links in my description box down below. They're also having their 5th year anniversary, so y'all don't want to miss that. And I have a coupon code. The coupon code is Destiny360, and you can get 10% off of your 360 wigs using my code. A disclaimer, I don't get a percentage. The code is just for you all. Definitely take advantage and use that if you want to shop and get yourself a nice wig to slay on somebody's auntie on Thanksgiving. Like, listen, stepping Thanksgiving dinner like, hi. Let me stop. Again, special thank you to WowAfrican for sponsoring this video. Check the cards. I'm pretty sure I've linked lots of relevant videos. Let me know how you all like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Or you can definitely run the flat iron through it if you want. Even though I did a lot of plucking with the knots already being bleached, the band already coming on the wig, and with baby hairs and everything already being added, my goal for this video was to more so show you all how you can kind of go like straight from just taking your wig out of the bag and making it work for you. So I tried my best to not do too much, but I couldn't just leave myself hanging and not like really, you know, make it look as neat as possible. Like straight out of the bag is really nice. As far as this part with the glue, like I said, it was my first time using it, and I haven't really done wigs on myself in a good little minute. I do like this for $17.99. It's definitely, I guess I can't say if it's worth it yet since I haven't tested out as far as it being water resistant. If I want to take my wigs off with ease without having to wet them, I'll go to the gym or do something to sweat and it usually comes off. So I'm going to test this out. at the gym. I may wait until after Thanksgiving to test it. I don't know. Just follow me on Instagram. You'll see it there first. I absolutely love this wig. It's 18 inches, by the way. I have more relevant videos for you all to check out. Another video that I've done with the WowAfrican before right here. Something else that's just really good that you should watch. If you don't like either one of these, check out something else on my channel. It should be a little circle with my cute little face on it for you all to subscribe to my channel. Click that. Questions or comments, leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye.